Hey everyone, welcome to 2 Minutes Tuesday with Bala. This week we are going to look into Azure Storage Redundancy. Let's get started. What is Azure Storage Redundancy? So storing the data in multiple different locations within the same data center and replicating the same data in multiple places, different regions, and then read access only to the data whenever there is a failure. What are the Azure redundancy options? We do have multiple options here. The first one is locally redundant storage, which is called as LRS. They have a geo redundant storage, GRS, read access geo redundant storage, zone redundant storage, and then geo zone redundant storage. And we have a read access geo redundant storage as well. So you would understand looking at this table, like what is the main purpose of these. So Azure Storage, as you know, has multiple options like a standard, premium file share, and premium block storage. And you can see those options in this table, what is supported and what is not supported. Let's look into LRS, locally redundant storage. So that replicates 3 times in the same data center. So a copy of the same file is there in 3 different locations in the same data center. That is LRS. What is zone redundant storage? So zone redundant storage is nothing between the data is being copied across 3 different availability zones, and it's replicated asynchronously. And then that provides you 99.12 nines as the availability. GRS replicates across 3 times within the same location using LRS, and also uses the LRS to copy it within different region in a geolocation. This gives a availability of 99.16 nines, which is higher than the previous options that we saw. So the last one is geo zone redundant storage. So it replicates across 3 different availability zones using ZRS, and then eventually also uses LRS to copy in a different region asynchronously. This provides you 99.16 nines. So this helps you understand what are the different types of redundancy options that are provided in Azure. So according to the business needs and the availability needed, we could pick it and choose what option would work with the business needs. Thanks everyone for watching. We'll see you next week with another topic. Thanks again.